Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to edit stickers on any iPhone running iOS 18, using all the new built-in features. Now let's get started. First, let's create a new sticker from your photos. Open the Messages app and enter any conversation to get started. Now tap the plus icon right next to the text box to open the menu. From the options that appear, tap on Stickers to access your sticker tray. Next, tap the plus icon once again to begin creating a new sticker. Choose any photo from your gallery. You can browse by categories like animals, food, or even people. Once you've found the photo you want, tap on it and then tap Add Sticker. Your new sticker is now ready to use or edit. To edit an existing sticker, go back to your sticker tray and tap and hold the sticker you want to update. When the menu pops up, tap on Edit Effect to start making changes. Then, tap Add Effects to see all the fun styles available. You'll see options like Outline, Comic, Puffy, and Shiny. Try them out to see what fits your style best. Once you're happy with the look, just tap Done and your updated sticker is saved. If you want to delete a sticker you no longer need, tap and hold it in the sticker tray. Then simply tap Delete and it'll be removed from your collection. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more easy iPhone tips.